Lockout tagout is simple if you're just one person and you just want to lock out one point at your machine to make sure that while you're working on it, fixing some issues, nobody else puts the machine back to work. But it gets more complex if there's a bigger group of machines and multiple people are working in the same surrounding at the same time. And the flow of information is not always given because the surroundings or the machine is simply too big and there's too many people at the machine. That's what we call complex group lockout. But how can we make this more easy? How can we ensure that everybody who's working in the same surrounding at the same time, or maybe in different shifts, is still on the same side? This is where we differentiate between a personal lock and a machine lock. And this is also where our beautiful ABUS Redbox comes into play. In order to avoid that you have to put, let's say, 6 personal locks into different locking points at the machine, each locking point at the machine has a certain machine lock which helps to lock off a certain point at the machine. And then there is multiple people that are at the machine helping to fix it, to clean it, or whatsoever. And then to make sure that the machine is not restarted before everybody's has done their work, each machine lock is locked at a certain point within the machine, and the key is stored in the Redbox. Everybody who's working at the machine has their own personal lock. For example, mine is the gray one. As soon as I start my work, I'll just take my lock, attach it to the Redbox, and I have the key. So in this example, there's only 2, but technically, if there's 8 or 10 people working at the same machine, and the keys for the machine locks are in the box can only be opened as soon as the last person has taken off their lock again. And we can take out the locks for the machine lock again and bring back the flow of energy to the machine. One quick side point that we would like to share with you also is the Redbox is mobile and you can carry it around to the actual place where you're doing your procedure, or you can even keep it at the machine, close to the machine where the locks are typically used, with a pretty easy help of the wall mount application, and you just attach the box to the wall and you'll always know where to find the Safety Redbox and the locks for the machine. If you need more information about the ABUS Redbox, you'll also find some application videos on the same channel. There's more information online, and as always, if you have any questions, we're more than happy to help you out to get you some more details about the Safety Redbox or any other products that you have questions about.